Hey, welcome back to the channel. On this video, I'm gonna show you 7 websites to make at least $100 a day. And if you stay till the end, I'm gonna show you a site where you can make over $1,000 a day. If you're ready, let's go. All right, let's get to it. If you want to work from home, if you want to work from your laptop or even your smartphone, I'm gonna show you in this video 7 websites where you can make at least $100. And like I said, for those overachievers that want to make lots of money online, I'm gonna show you a secret website that makes me over $1,000 a day. As you can see, I've been marketing online for 12 years. Obviously, you can see my results. Not show you my results to brag, but to show you that I walk the walk. I don't just talk the talk. So in this particular income stream, we've generated over $291,000. I can show you many more. This one, $46,250. So if you want to make money online, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button below so you don't miss any of my future make money from home videos, affiliate marketing, work from home jobs, you name it. So if you're ready, turn off all the distractions and let's go to site number 1. All right, the site numero uno is called Adfly. This is where you can shorten your links and basically whenever you share links with people online, whether it's on Facebook, maybe it's on Instagram, maybe it's on YouTube, doesn't matter, any social network or even email, inside of the email when you're sending your emails, you can share your links by shortening with Adfly, and for each click, when people watch 5 seconds advertisement, you get paid, my friend. You get paid. You're not gonna pay a lot, I'm gonna warn you, but this is probably the simplest, the easiest way for you to generate cash, online by just sharing your links using the Adfly. Very simple, self-explanatory site. You just create a free account and over 2.5 million links clicked today, right? Over 5 million registered users, available worldwide, not just United States. So I think most countries are accepted. Easiest way to start, breaking the bank, if you will. But again, not gonna make a lot of money, but something that you're doing anyways. You can get paid by just sharing links and using the shortener, which is Adfly. So let's go to site number 2. Site number 2, Flippa.com. I'm gonna show you how you can do website arbitrage, domain arbitrage. So Flippa is a marketplace with over 200,000 buyers who are waiting to buy your website, online business, an app, or a domain. So as you can see, lots of offers here on the front page. People selling ready-to-go websites for as much as $35,000, $20,000, $89,000. So depending on your niche, you can resell your websites, your domains on Flippa.com and get cash in your hand. Now, where you get websites, right? Let's say you brand new. So this works even for newbies, but you need to figure out your niche. So whether your niche is fishing or hunting or cars or cooking or fitness and exercise or make money online, like my channel, my niche, you can go on GoDaddy auctions and you can buy websites. You have to do research, obviously, to minimize your risk, because there's always risk involved, right? But you can find lots of offers. For example, there's one in crypto.com. So let's say if your niche is crypto, like if you're into Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, as you can see, you can buy this website for $928 and you can turn around and sell it for $2,000 or $3,000. See, the main value is $11,000 according to GoDaddy. So you have to do research, but you can find lots of websites that you can resell on Flippa.com, and you can get paid directly to your bank, right? So this is what it's all about. Whatever your niche is, you gotta do, obviously spend some time here, but I'm sure you're gonna find lots of ideas how to monetize your passion, your expertise, and simply by flipping domains, you can get in profit zone fast. All right, site number 3 and site number 4 are Upwork and Fiverr.com. Think about your talents. Maybe you can write resumes, right? Maybe you can write articles for websites. Maybe you're really great at graphic design. You know Photoshop inside and out. You can write thumbnails for YouTube covers. You can write Facebook, cover images. You can create banners. You can create, maybe you're a videographer. You can edit videos. So this is the site where you can utilize your skill sets and get paid from home, anywhere in the world, as long as you have a laptop or a smartphone, right? So, and for example, Fiverr.com, I just did a search for writing jobs, and as you can see, tons and tons of people are offering their services and charging as much as $60, right? At least $60 to write a cover letter, resume for a German job application. So there's lots of services that you can sell and get paid for what you're good at, right? Whatever it is. Maybe you're voice talent, maybe you're a videographer, maybe you're really great in graphic design. There's lots of ways for you to monetize skill sets that you have at the comfort, at your convenience, right? At your time, at your terms. So you specify how much you want to charge, and as people are gonna buy services from you, you're gonna get reviews, and you're gonna go basically higher in rankings on Fiverr, and you're gonna get more and more jobs. So whatever your specialty is, you can monetize it easily with Fiverr or Upwork, which is used to be a freelance as well, freelance.com. So there's quite a few websites. As you can see, maybe you're a programmer, right? You can get paid, $100 an hour because you know how to program computers, right? You're good with development, right? You can develop different apps. So the higher the skill set you have, the higher the top dollar you can command. So maybe you're a Facebook ad strategist, they can get paid up to $85 an hour, or a project manager, $55 an hour. Search and social display advertising, $100 an hour, pay-per-click advertising. So lots of ways to monetize your skill sets. So don't be lazy, my friend. Type in the comments. You're gonna take action on this. Just type action ! And while you're doing that, hit the subscribe button and hit on notification. So let's go to the next slide. All right, do you want guaranteed job online? Well, then enter the Amazon marketplace, one of the biggest companies, probably the biggest company in the world right now, over $1 trillion valuation. We all buy stuff on Amazon. So guess what? They also have lots of jobs for online workers, and it's called Amazon Mechanical Turk. So they absolutely have probably any job in the world when it comes to online work, like editing text, like clicking on the links, like again, similar stuff that's on Fiverr as well, but the difference is you can immediately qualify and click on the job and start working as soon as the next hour once you create an account. So lots of people asking, for example, you can go on Google and Google Amazon Mechanical Turk, and lots of people asking, is Amazon legit? Of course it's legit, it's Amazon company. So what they're doing is basically they connecting, people that have lots of jobs to perform like manual tasks, manual labor. You're not gonna get paid a lot, but like I said, you're gonna get guaranteed work, because when you go sign up, you click on the AmazonMTurk.com. You just basically click on this yellow button, and you can hire people on demand 24/7 worldwide, any country in the world, and you can make money. Just create a worker's account and start performing those tasks, such as editing text, such as editing videos, such as like proofreading, such as like submitting different reviews for products and services. So lots of different tasks to be performed every single day. You can get started even if it's 2 o'clock in the morning. And obviously legitimate site, as legitimate as it gets, it's Amazon. And but again, bear in mind, you're not gonna get paid like lots of money. It's something that they can get many workers to do. So the higher the skill set that you have, obviously the higher the pay rate you can command. And definitely go with the previous site if you're a programmer, if you're a graphic designer, such as Fiverr.com or freelancer.com. And those kind of sites will give you the highest amounts of money you can charge per hour or per project, right? So let's go to the next slide. Hopefully you got lots of ideas from this, and if you did, comment below. Let me ask you a question. You want to work once and get paid over and over and over and over again? Well, enter Amazon Kindle publishing platform. So if you're an author or you are one of the creative types, you can write a book about your passion, about your journey, about a mission statement, whatever you're into, right? And publish it on Amazon Kindle. And you only do it once, and guess what? You can actually hire somebody and outsource the whole project to someone on Fiverr or freelance.com, right? And like, for example, Dan Lok, one of the top motivational speaker, online sales coaches, he has tons of books. I definitely recommend you check out his books. It will change your life. So you can publish the book and you can get paid over and over again every single time somebody clicks on this button. One click button sale, right? Over and over again. So definitely check out Amazon Kindle. It's one of the top, well, it's probably number one platform for digital books. Just like Audible, you can also publish it on Audible. I'm a big fan of Amazon Audible, Amazon Prime. We're ordering stuff and get stuff delivered in New York next day, even same day sometimes. So definitely check out Amazon Kindle publishing platform and really brainstorm ideas. What can you write the book about, right? What are you expert at? You gotta be expert at something, my friend, right? If you're an adult, and you probably really good at something, right? So definitely a way to monetize your passion. Definitely check out Amazon Kindle. All right, my friend, one more Amazon site for you. Amazon Handmade. Maybe one of those crafty types. Maybe you stay-at-home mom and you're really good in creating those kind of things, right? Like right now it's Halloween, like Halloween essentials, gifts, beauty and grooming, kitchen and dining, home decor, jewelry. Huge niche, absolutely huge niche. So you can actually create those things and sell them, as opposed to Etsy. There's another site called Etsy, but Amazon will give you higher exposure, much bigger exposure. Many more millions of people go to this site. Obviously, it's Amazon, number one site in the world. So definitely check out Amazon Handmade, and there's tons of ways for you to monetize your skills as a craft maker, right? Like home and kitchen, jewelry, gifts, clothing, shoes, accessories, apparel, wedding, right? Huge niche, right? So definitely check out this site, and I'm sure you're gonna get lots of ideas how to actually make money with your skill. All right, are you ready for big money? If you overachiever, and this is what tells me if you're still watching my videos and you want to make lots of money, I'm gonna show you a program, affiliate marketing program. And this is why I like affiliate marketing, because there's no products to ship, there's nothing to stock. It's digital products, just like Amazon Audible, Amazon Kindle, instant delivery, but you get paid over and over and over again. So this is the best implementation of passive income online. This is exactly what I'm passionate about. I absolutely love passive income stream, and especially multiple income streams where you can get paid from multiple companies via check, via direct deposit, via PayPal. So multiple ways to get paid. I'm gonna show you the system. I'm gonna put a link in the description so you can check it out. But I'm gonna show you my results where you can get paid as much as $2,000 per sale. So this particular income system is called FunnelX ROI. One of the income streams is easy one up. You get paid up to $2,000. As you can see, my results $46,250. And also there's a couple more income streams. FunnelX Advance, over $4,000 in commissions. There's also ROI panel, which is the tracking solution that you need, almost $9,000. So, and there's a couple more income streams, but why don't I let you hear from the system creator himself, who is David Deckel. Check out his system here. It's called FunnelX ROI. Once you open an account, you're gonna see there's step-by-step videos, so it's very easy to follow, very easy to set up, and it will create 5 income streams for you, my friend. So definitely check out the link in the description below. And I want to hear your success story, right? How much money you're gonna make, so please let me know. And if you have any questions whatsoever, just use the comments below the video. I promise to reply to everybody within 24 hours, unless I'm traveling on business or vacation. So definitely check out this awesome affiliate marketing system that's gonna teach you basics of affiliate marketing, and it's gonna help you create the time freedom that we experience as a family. Like I said, I've been doing this for over 12 years now, so definitely newbie friendly. You can actually even use your phone for this, but obviously I advise you to use a computer, desktop, or a laptop. And all you need is a dream, my friend, and a Wi-Fi connection. So definitely check out this income stream. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future many money making videos, my friend. So hopefully you got lots of value. Give me a like, give me a share it with your friends, because I'm sure you know somebody who can use extra money working from home. So with that, take massive action, don't procrastinate, and I'll see you on the top, my friend. Peace.